Okay, now that I've got the timing cover off of this, you can see that there's a square stamp on the gear. It's painted white, and then there's also a pointer. That's to find top dead center after you've pulled the harmonic balancer off. As far as the time mark for the top, we already covered that, but I'm just gonna see if I can get a better detail on it, or better shot. You can see that there's a red line, red painted line that's stamped into that, and also see if I can get the light to shine on this to show it says up. So that's how you do that. As far as the timing cover goes, you've got a couple of bolts on either side. They're set diagonally. You've got one here, another one offset diagonally, and then one at the top corner. So just clear those. What I do is I use a jack to support the motor. Get rid of that mirror. Use a jack to support the motor from underneath, and that way you're able to adjust it up and down. You'll need to remove the motor mount plate here. And also there's another plate that goes off to the side from here to there. Stabilizer bracer plate. This is the plate specifically that you pull off. You need to pull all three of the fasteners out of the motor side, and then the one off of the motor mount side. Just set that aside. The water pump, just a little bit of detail on that. The water pump's not driven by the timing belt, it's off to the side. So